Welcome to Code Teach, your topics, our views. In the last session, we have discussed about encapsulation. Today, we will be discussing about abstraction. So, what is abstraction? In general terms, abstractions is a way to hide the internal implementation of a process or a method from the user. Let's take a simple example of car. Whenever we drive the car and we push the brake, it stops. The car provider has given us one facility that if you push this brake, it will stop the car. They have not given us the implementation like how the wire is connected to the wheels, how if you put so much pressure on this brake and this will stop. So they are not giving us the implementation. They are only giving us the functionality that if you push this, it will stop the car. Let's take another example. If we have used any third-party DLL like Telerik controls or other controls in our project, they only give you the functions, that these are the functions. If you pass the parameters, it will return these values. So they don't give us the implementation, and that is the whole process is known as abstraction. So abstraction is a way of implementation hiding. We don't want to give the code to the other users or the users who is using. We only give the functionality. Implementation is hidden from the users. The basic difference between encapsulation and abstraction is encapsulation describes the information hiding, but abstraction describes implementation hiding. So how we can achieve this in Python? We have abstract class and method. Okay, so what is abstract class? An abstract class can have at least one abstract method. It may contain normal methods also. The second thing, the abstract class cannot be instantiated. It means that we cannot create object of abstract class. We have to inherit it, and then the derived class can implement the abstract methods. Let's take an example and try to understand how it works. Okay, so before that, abstraction, it's one of the important feature of the OOPS concept. Important feature of OOPS. Okay, it focus on implementation hiding. How we can achieve this? By using the abstract class and abstract method. Okay, by default Python does not provide the abstract class. So for creating a class abstract, we have to import some modules, predefined modules. Then ABC is the predefined modules which gives you the abstract class. If your class is inherited from ABC, ABC means abstract base class. Okay, I will give you the details. Abstract method. Okay, so ABC is predefined module. Okay, predefined module. Okay, and if you want to create any class as abstract class, your class must be inherited from this. Okay, your class must be inherited from this class. This class to create an abstract class. Okay, abstract class, simple. Okay, and then abstract method. For creating the abstract method, we have one abstract method. Okay, it's also predefined module. We have for any method to be abstract method, we have to annotate it with. We have to provide this annotation like a abstract method. Okay, the simple feature of abstract class. Okay, abstract class. Okay, so we cannot create the object of the abstract class. We cannot create the object of this abstract class. Okay, abstract class must have at least one abstract method. And it may contain other normal methods. It may contain normal methods, normal functions also. It doesn't mean that an abstract class contains only abstract method. Okay, let's take an example and try to understand this. Okay, let's create before that we have to import this ABC abstract is abstract base class. That's what it's ABC. So we have to import it. So how we import ABC? Import ABC. Sorry. But we have to do this ABC. And then for creating the method, we have to abstract this abstract method. We can do it in separate module also, but we can also use here. Both are the same way to using this. Okay, now let's declare one class, public. Oh, sorry. It's class, and let's say abstract class. Okay, abstract class. It must be inheriting from ABC, right? Okay. Let's create the normal methods like define, print. It's printing simple. It's not abstract method. We have just print this, and we can write something like abstract class normal method, right? Simple. Now let's create one abstract method. Okay, let's define print abstract, right? We have to pass the self parameter, okay, and print abstract class abstract method, right? But this is not abstract because we have not passed the attributes or the annotations here. So we have to do something like a abstract method, right? Now this becomes abstract method. So this one is the normal method. This print is normal method, and this one is the abstract method. This need to be implemented in below the inherited class. Let's take an example, and then let's say class child class. It must be inherited from abstract class because we cannot create the object. Okay, I will show you also. If you create the object, it will say that you cannot instantiate the abstract class. Okay, now let's create one method here, define print. We can have here because this is the normal class. This the normal method belongs to this abstract class, but this belongs to child class. There is no overriding method. Okay, print child class, and then normal method. Okay, first let's create this. We have not overriding this, implementing this abstract method. Let's see how the error comes. We'll try to check this. Child equal to child class. Okay, let's print child dot we can print abstract. Okay, let's run this. What is the error they give? See this. Cannot instantiate abstract class child class with the abstract method print abstract. So we have to implement this method here, then only we can access it. Okay, if you are accessing this print, it's a normal method. If you run this, see here again the same error because this child class is inheriting from this abstract class. Abstract class is an abstract class which have one method that is abstract, and the implementation abstract method must be there in this child class. Okay, so let's do this. Child class abstract method, right? Now let's run this. See, it's calling now. Okay, so this is the simple way. If you call here child dot print abstract, now it will also we are able to call it. See, both are called. You can also call this here. If you want to call the abstract method, you can call here something like super dot print abstract, right? See here it's called. But again, if you don't want to give the any implementation here, just we want to declare, you have to click right here pass. So pass is a way to just declaring the methods and class. We don't want to implement this, so we can also do something like here. So if you run this, see, it's running properly fine. Okay, now let's directly create the object of this abstract class. Let's see what is the error. Okay, run this. See here, can't instantiate abstract class. So see, it's a simple, very simple way to handle the abstraction in Python. So key point, we have to import this ABC and the abstract method. Abstract method must have at least one abstract class must have at least one abstract method. It may contains normal methods also. We can call here the normal methods. There is no problem here. Simple. Okay. This is mostly all about abstraction in Python, how we can implement abstraction in Python. Okay. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on another platform. Thank you.